In this video, we are going to be solving examples on division of a line into given ratios. So the first example here is that we have that Q divides the line AB where the coordinates A and B are 5,2 and 4,y respectively in a ratio 2:4. Find the coordinates of Q. So first of all, to solve this question, we are going to have to remove our values from the question, remove our data, given values. So solution. So our A, now we have A at 0.5, 2. That means x1 is equal to 5 and y1 is equal to 2. So we also have B, which is at 4, y. It means x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 9, and we have the ratio u to be equal to 2 and v to be equal to 4 respectively. So let's look at this now. Along the x-axis, remember our formula. Along the x-axis, x will be equal to, the x coordinate will be equal to ux2 plus vx1 divided by u plus v. So let's substitute this now. We are going to have, so we have u to be 2, so that will be 2 into x2, and we have x2 to be 4, plus v, we have v to be 4, into x1, we have x1 to be 5. This is all divided by u plus v, which is 2 plus 4 respectively. So 2 times 4, we are going to have 8, plus 4 times 5, we have 20, divided by 6, which we have 28 divided by 6, and this is going to be equal to 14 divided by 3. That is along the x-axis. So let's look at the y-axis now. Along y-axis, we have y to be equal to uy2 plus vy1 divided by u plus v, and of course we are going to follow the same procedure. We have u to be 2 and we have y2 to be 9, plus we have v to be 4 and we have y1 to be 2, and this is dividing 2 plus 4. So 2 times 9, we are going to have 18 plus 8 divided by 6. 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8, we have it to be 26 divided by 6. This will be equal to 13 divided by 3. Now we are told to find the coordinate of Q. So that means Q x, y will be equal to Q x. We now have x to be 14 over 3, and we have y to be 13 over 3. So these are the coordinates of the point Q. So we'll move to the second example. Example 2 says a line AB with coordinates 5 and 7 and 2 minus 1 respectively is divided at the point C into the ratio 5:4. Find the coordinates of C. Find the coordinates of C. So let's assume this line to be like this. Let's assume the line to take this form. We have a point A here, which is 5, 7, and we have a point B here, which is 2, minus 1. Then we have a point dividing the line into a given ratio. We have the point C here. It divides the line into the ratio of 5 and minus 4 respectively. So let's put minus 4 here. and let's put 5 here respectively. So from this question here, we can bring out our informations. From here we can bring out our informations. We have coordinate A to be 5,7, which means x1 is equal to 5 and y1 is equal to 7. We also have point B, which is 2, minus 1. It means x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to minus 1. And we have the ratio u to be equal to 5 and v to be equal to minus 4 respectively. So we have to solve this, and we are going to be using the same approach. Remember, along x-axis, remember we have x to be equal to u x2 plus v x1 divided by u plus v. So now we are going to substitute our values directly. We have the value of u to be 5, that is 5 multiplying x2, which is 2, plus we have v, which is minus 4, multiplying x1, which is 5, and this is divided by u plus v, which is 5 plus minus 4. So 5 times 2, we are going to have 10, minus 4 times 5, we are going to have 20, divided by 5 minus 4, we have 1. 10 minus 20, we are going to have minus 10. So at this point we have it to be minus 10. X is equal to minus 10. So let's look at along y now. Along y-axis, what happens along y-axis? Along y-axis, we are going to have y to be equal to uy2 plus vy1 divided by u plus v. So substituting this now, we have u to be 5 into y2 is minus 1 plus is minus 4, which is v, into y1, which is 7, and this is dividing 5 plus minus 4. So we are going to have, this is minus 1 here, so that means we are going to have minus 5 minus 4 times 7, we have it to be 28, minus 28 here, and this is dividing 1. So minus 5 minus 28, we are going to have it to be minus 33. So that means at this point now, point C, x comma y, the coordinates are going to be C minus 10 comma minus 33. So that means at this point we are going to have it to be minus 10 comma minus 33. So this is your answer. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.